my lashes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a very interesting video for my channel, that is what's in my traveling makeup bag. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
So I have been traveling a lot lately. I'm getting a little bit of expert day by day just by carrying the right amount of makeup essentials in my traveling bag. So I thought, why not to share my tips and tricks with you guys to carry those perfect essentials and not getting charged for that extra baggage charges. So initially I used to carry 2 or 3 makeup bags with me. Not the makeup bags like a suitcase bag, no, that would be insane, but I used to carry like 2 or 3 makeup pouches.
To carry 6 bronzers, 6 concealers, so many blush-ons, and end up using not even half of them.
And then you suddenly realize that it has become a huge waste of space in your luggage.
So I bought this bag from Marks and Spencer. This one is from their, I think, autographed collection, and it has got 3 compartments, 1, 2 and 3. And this is such a perfect makeup bag to carry in your luggage. But the best thing is that it can get detached. All my essentials in this bag also. And I love the floral print on white.
One of the hardest parts about packing is getting your makeup bag essentials right. So how to get the balance right between packing what you need and avoid overpacking? And what on earth should you put it all in? Well, today in my vlog I'm sharing my on-the-go beauty essentials, my ultimate travel makeup bag for packing life. So here they are. It's super important to carry a BB cream with an SPF whenever I travel, so this one is perfect. So second is this mist by INNISFREE, and of course won't travel without my Benefit eyebrow pencil. So on holidays I always prefer to take my Sweet Peach palette with me because it has got from neutral tones to the bolder ones, and so I can rock any holiday look with this. Then fake lashes, hell yeah. And this cute little bottle for contouring is by H&M. So generally I don't use these at home, but it's too hard to travel with a bottle of coconut oil, of course, so I picked these up from Singapore H&M store. For the compact I'm carrying my forever favorite MAC Studio Fix, one of my holy grail concealer that I knew would be perfect for my holiday. Fourth is my beauty blender. So sometimes on holiday when I don't feel like wearing SPF, so I always carry my ESTEE LAUDER DOUBLEWEAR foundation. Seriously, am I still living in 2015? You'd think so with my mascara choice. It's Lash Sensation by Maybelline, and it's uber cheap and I really love it. So in my makeup bag you will always find my favorite reds, nudes and oranges because these are my favorite shades, and it totally depends upon the occasion or my mood which one to apply at that moment. This cute little blush I got from Singapore ETUDE house, and I really love this one. Lastly, this pocket friendly highlighter by KIKO.